goodness. Welcome to
Bailey's Purple Salon School. Bailey's Purple Salon Makeup Shop.
Okay, Bailey is going to be doing
my makeup.
your makeup.
No, my mother's makeup.
Don't you just spat everywhere. Alright, so I have a bunch of products that I have already left for Bailey. So we have some brushes.
Mommy, can I see your head?
It's okay, it'll go away. We have eyeliners and lipstick and mascara, foundation, powder, another brush, and
soda.
soda. You can't put soda on mommy's face. Moisturizer. That's the first thing we're gonna use, okay? Alright, so you ready to do my makeup?
Yes.
What's this makeup style going to be about? What is it gonna look like?
I don't know.
You don't know? So we just have to find out?
Yes.
Okay. Shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay. So, what are you gonna do first? Oh, mommy, I can help you with the steps. Yeah. Moisturizer.
Moisturizer.
Okay, show them. Say, I'm
First
gonna
things
put.
first.
Yeah, first things first. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna put moisturizer.
Moisturizer. Alright, so I'm gonna squeeze it out. Not too much, okay? Okay, pop. Alright, that will do. What are you gonna do? Rub it all over your hands. Alright, ready? Ooh. That's all?
Yes.
On my cheeks? On my face? Wow. Wow, thanks.
It looks really clean, right?
Okay, next. You tell them you're gonna go in with your foundation.
I'm gonna go in foundation, okay?
Okay. And how are you gonna apply it? You wanna use this brush?
Yes.
So you have to paint it on, okay? Like you're painting on his face.
Okay.
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 Okay. You wanna pour?
Yes.
Okay, you wanna pour? Let me show them. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay, go. Wow. Just this side?
Yes.
Maybe you have to spread it everywhere. And turn all the way.
Close your eyes.
Okay. Can you tell them what you're doing?
I'm moisturizing my
Moisturize already! You're putting foundation.
foundation.
Yes. Spread it everywhere.
I don't know.
See on my nose? Mm-hmm.
Where?
Wow.
In your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
I love you.
So does it look nice? Does it look like mommy's makeup every day?
You have to wash your face.
Okay, so foundation's done?
Yes.
Alright, so now we have to set everything with the powder.
Powder.
Alright, can you open the powder? Okay, good job. And you're gonna use, exactly. Can you show them the powder you're using?
This is
The Rimmel Stay Matte powder? Can you tell them it's a Rimmel Stay Matte powder?
why cannot come out?
Cause it's clear, baby. It's clear. It's clear powder.
Okay.
Why is everything on mommy's cheeks only? Okay, so you must tell the audience what you're doing now.
I'm I'm putting powder on my mommy.
You have to look at mommy's face when you put the powder in the camera. Okay, enough. Okay, finish the last part. Put it all over, all over. So tell them what you're doing.
I'm putting powder on mommy's face.
Okay.
Finish.
Wow, very nice.
After foundation.
So this is what we have so far. So this is how everything looks like now.
Yes.
Wow, baby, you blended really well. It looks really good. It looks so good. Okay, now we have blusher, our favorite.
Where's blusher?
Okay, blusher, ready?
Right.
So you want to use this big fluffy brush?
Yes.
You show them the brush that you're going to use?
I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush. There it is.
Alright.
Your cheeks ready.
Oh, really? Oh, so you're just going to change colors all the time? Okay. Can you tell them what you're doing?
I'm putting colors on my mommy's cheeks.
Colors? What? Colors on mommy's cheeks? It's called blush, Bales.
Blush. Excuse me.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Finish.
Wow. Okay. Next.
We're gonna use lipstick.
Not yet. Okay, you're gonna draw eyeliner for
I
mommy.
don't know how to draw eyeliner.
Try. That's the point of the video. And first.
I'm gonna put eyeliner on mommy's face.
On my eyes, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna close my eyes and you have to draw a line. Ready? Whoa. Whoa. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, other side.
That's correct.
So is this how mommy does her makeup? See that? Oh, okay. I love it. Can you draw eyeliner for mommy's bottom? For the bottom as well?
This side.
And the other side? Wow! Do I look pretty? But you took so long to answer. Do I look pretty?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, thank you.
Look the pen.
Okay, next we have mascara.
Mascara. How to put mascara?
On my eyelashes. Do you see mommy's eyelashes?
Yes.
Alright, there you go.
Ouch. Ow.
You have to brush it like as though you're brushing your teeth. Mommy's eyes! Mommy's eyes! Mommy's eyes! Why are you not giggly today? Should I close my eyes, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. You see the eyelashes on mommy's eyes?
Yes.
Okay. Good job. Finished? Wow. Your makeup is so fast, huh? And easy. Okay, the last step. Your favorite. What's the last step?
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Okay, ready? I'm gonna pop lipstick on mommy's lips. You have to tell them what you're doing. Don't feel so serious. Can you tell them what you do? Do you want some more? Do you need some more? No? I'm done?
Yes.
Sure?
Look at the neighbor.
Wow! Feels! I love it! Do I really look pretty?
Yes.
You do? Okay, let's show them. Alright, so this is what we have, guys. What do you call this look, baby? So thank you so much, Bailey, for doing mommy's makeup. I think I look very pretty and I'm gonna wear this the whole day. Do you think I should? No? You don't trust your work?
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to
Subscribe.
thanks for keeping us
Company.